Hi friends, in this video we will discuss matter which yoga makes you good politicians. For politics, the main planet is Sun. We practically find that the person who have Sun in the 10th house, Sun in the 11th house, Sun in the 3rd house and Sun in the 6th house, who are very good politicians. They have good command in politics. Practically we have seen the Sun in the 10th house makes very good yoga of politics. It's make Raj Yoga, who takes from lower level to hyper level in politics and benefits from governments. Namaskar.